Hi, baby. I have a baby. Hi, baby. Kitty. Kitty. Oh my god. Biscotti freaked me out this morning so bad. I started crying so bad because I woke up and she was like running around and she stood next to me and her mouth was foaming and I was like, oh my fucking god, I was so scared. I was like, I need to take you to the vet or something. This isn't normal. And I looked around and I don't even know where she found it, but there was like an unopened pack of like those chemical glow sticks. And she had bit into one. And I was like, oh my god. Did you just poison yourself? And I looked it up and apparently if they just bite it, their mouth foams because it's so bitter and bad. And so she didn't poison herself, but she freaked me out so bad. It was so scary. Now your insides glow, Biscotti. Yeah, I washed her mouth out. I grabbed her. I grabbed her and I washed her teeth with my fingers. I was like, you have to open your mouth. Yeah, but now my cat is a glowy. I was so freaking scared. I was like, did she get into something and poison herself? Or rabies? She has a rabies shot, so I knew it couldn't have been rabies, but I was like, so terrified. It's always something new when you have a pet. It's literally always something new. I don't even know how she fucking found it. It was like a pack of those big fat orange like glow sticks. And you freak me out, kitty. You freak me out. I know, I need to baby-proof my house. So scary. So scary, baby. Aw. I've been telling her recently, when she freaks me out like that or when she bites me, I just really firmly, I say, you're being mean, that's not nice. And I feel like she's starting to understand me a little. That's not nice. That's not nice, baby. Your cat drinks out of the toilet no matter what. My cat was drinking out of the toilet for a while too. I don't know why. I don't think she's doing it now. But she was drinking out of the toilet and that's icky. Biscotti, that's icky. I don't care. That's gross. You are icky. You know what will probably help them stop drinking out of the toilet though? If you have a cat that drinks out of the toilet, you know, Biscotti started drinking out of the toilet when her water fountain broke. And I had to give her a bowl of water while I got a new one. Cats really like fresh water. Like fresh, cold water. If you get a really nice water fountain for your cat, they probably will be less incentivized to drink out of the toilet. They like it. Sometimes my cat just plays in it. She like swats the water stream. Biscotti is really big into just water in general. She likes to get in the shower if she can help it. I thought cats were supposed to hate water, but she really likes it. She really likes water. She is a little freaky. If she's not getting in the shower with me, she just stands behind the shower liner and watches me shower, which is kind of really weird, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do about that. Pippa! Wakey wakey! Time to get groomed! She's kind of a freak. You're kind of a freak, huh? You're kind of a freak. Yeah, maybe she is protecting me. She's literally always by my side. I don't know if I got a cat or I got a barnacle, because if I am sitting in this house, I never don't see her. She just likes to be next to me. She really likes people in general. Love. How socialized is she? In what way? Because she is super sociable. Like, every time I have friends over, she's so... absolutely so excited to see people. I've had some friends, like, sleep over at my house, and, like, when Kisaka was here, Kisaka slept in my house, and, Biscotti would cuddle her to sleep. She loves people. She loves people. She does bite, though. If she gets really excited and playful, she'll bite anybody. I don't really know how to get her to stop doing that. Has she bit anyone else besides you and Pippa? She bites everybody. I don't know. She's just kind of a freak. It's been an hour. Oh yeah, now I need to play a video game. I'm play testing a game called Totopia, and I'm really, really excited about it.